Evening, all remarks here, back again with another video, back again with another Oculus Quest video. And this video I'm going to show you how to install Pavlov, which is a game that's coming to the Oculus Quest, but it's in development. So they're in early development, they're testing it, they're bringing out new builds all the time. They do have an install process, but there's now a process that uses SideQuest. It's an online shooter. You get to kind of like reload your gun actually kind of manually. So like here, the gun needs a reload. All I need to do is grab the clip, chuck it, grab a fresh clip, put it in, and then crank the gun, and we're away. You can hold the gun with two hands to get a kind of more stable shot. You can aim down the sights, and it's pretty cool. So this is only against the bots. You can turn the spot like this. Oh, I'm out of bullets, got to reload. Oh, wrong button. More bullets, there you go. Crank it. Oh, I'm just winging it there one-handed, but you can sort of see the gun goes all over the place if you kind of... oh, I'm out of bullets already. One button. Quick, more bullets, quick. Crank it. There we go. Yeah. I'm not very good at online shooters, but what I wanted to do is hold some online sessions with you guys. You can bend down and pick up with the guns to kind of play together. So if you do get this downloaded and installed, this coming Wednesday I'm going to hold a live stream from sort of 9 PM GMT time, and if you can make it, we'll play some online games and we'll sort of see how this goes, playing with as many people as we can get going, sort of thing. I'm not sure actually how many people get in a lobby, but we'll kind of spice it up a little bit. Join my Discord. As I say, it'd be good fun to play with you guys, but I wanted to kind of make this video a little bit short, so let's jump into how to set this all up, shall we? Right, so here's how we set up Pavlov on our Oculus Quest. First thing we need to do is go to the official Discord channel for Pavlov. I'm going to leave a link to that down below. Go to that on your PC, go into the Quest installation channel that they've got on the left here, and then at the very bottom they should have the latest build in there. Click on that, download it. This version is version 7, but grab whichever one is kind of the latest one. So once you've done that, download it to your desktop or wherever you put your downloads. Just note that it's about 1 gig in size, and then you're going to need to extract it. So right click, extract, depending on what you've got. I've got WinRAR, and it comes out about 2 gig in size. So make sure you've got that sort of space on your PC. And then to install it, we're just going to kind of minimize Discord. We're going to open up SideQuest, and if you don't know what SideQuest is or haven't sort of installed it, I've got a video on that. It just makes the whole process of side loading apps and experiences super easy. It's even got things built into it, sort of thing. So once that's open, what we need to do is then connect our Oculus Quest to our PC. So I've got a magnetic cable. I'm just going to ping that on there. It should think about it a second. A folder is opened. We don't want that. And then we can see in SideQuest, the green light has kind of appeared at the top. That means it's all connected, working okay. Let's open the Pavlov file, and you need two things in here. We want the APK file, so the Pavlov Android Shipping ARM V7, whatever. Obviously, it might change a little bit, but it ends in APK. So we want that. We want to drag that into SideQuest. Give that a little second to install. It'll think about it, and then it should be ready. So that's installing that on your headset. And we also need the file that ends in OBB. So the main.1.com ends in OBB. We want to drag that over and put that in as well. And that'll take a little bit longer to install because that's about 1.8 gig on itself. So you've got to kind of wait, sit steady, and it'll work. There we go, installed. And there's one extra step we need to go through. Top right hand corner, there's a little wrench in SideQuest. Click on that, scroll down towards the bottom. You've got a section that says Pavlov Audio. Click on Grant Pavlov Audio Permission. That should do it, because the app needs a special bit of permission to access your microphone for the sort of in-game chat. From our Oculus Quest, all we need to do is go into Library, left-hand side, Unknown Sources, and just scroll down, find Pavlov, and click on it, and then we're back in. Just note it does take a little while just to kind of reboot, but then we're back in and we're playing. So, where'd he go? Yeah. Bogey down. Oh, I can hear gunshots. But let me know if you have any issues with the setup process. You can go through the kind of the official process if you prefer. It may work better for you. You just got to kind of click on some files. They make it quite easy anyway. But it's nice to kind of have side-loaded, or SideQuest even, sort of integration. Oh. But Pavlov's works and looks really cool. And I can't... Oh, is that working? Oh, where'd he go? Did he just disappear? Oh, he did. I don't think I killed him, did I? But it works really well. As I say, any questions, let me know. I do want to set up a multiplayer session, so if anybody can get it installed in time for this coming Wednesday, I will hold a online session where we play this game. As long as it's working and there's no issues, we'll play some Pavlov with everyone. So let me know if you can make it. Join my Discord if you can at discord.remarkus.com, and we'll set up some games. It should be a good stream. Oh, this gun is awesome. Oh, this. Oh, we need to reload our gun, so grab this off, grab a new clip, plug it in, crank the gun. There we go, we're ready. But yeah, so let me know if you've got any questions. I'll help where I can. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't, that's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it. But do let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it. I'll try and do better for next time. Become one of the Remarkables, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I next upload a video. And that's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual shotgun to the face high five.